So hello everyone, my name is Sergeant P. Lamendia, and for our today's topic is binary codes. So what is binary codes? Binary codes is the fundamental language of computers and digital systems, only using two digits, which is 0 and 1. The key concept of each binary digit is 0, 1. It's known as bit. So for example, is 0, 1, 0, and 1. Each digit is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this example is known as 4 bit. So another example is 1, 1, 0, 1. 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits. Next is the binary system. The binary number system is based on the powers of 2. From right to left, the binary digits represent power of 2. So let's have an example: 0, 1, 0, and 1. So each bit represents a number, and you start to count from 0. 1, 2, 3, so on. So lastly, we multiply it by 2, and the exponent of each bit is its assigned number. So, for example, is 1 times 2 raised to 0 plus 0 times 2 raised to 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to 2. Lastly, 0 times 2 raised to 3. So let's have another example. 1, 1, 0, 1, and 0. So we start to count from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So each bit we multiply it by 2, and we always start from right to left. 0 times 2 raised to 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to 3, and lastly plus 1 times 2 raised to 4. So that is the binary system. So next is we convert whole number into binary. So the first thing we do is we divide the whole number by 2, and 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. If there's a decimal left, is equal to 1 bit. So next is we divide 7 by 2. It's equals to 3.5. 1 bit. 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5 equal to 1 bit. Next, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. 1 bit. Since 0 is not divisible anymore, so we stop. This is our binary. We arrange it 1, 1, 1. This is its binary form. What we do is check. First is 1, 2, and the 2 is multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Multiplied by 2, 8. Now we add 8 plus 4 is equals to 12 plus 2 is equals to 14 plus 1 equals to 15. So let's have another example. 21 divided by 2, which is equals to 10.5. Since there's a decimal, it's equals to 1 bit. Now 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. Since there's no decimal, it's equals to 0. Next, 5 divided by 2 equals to 2.5. 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 0. 1 divided by 2 is 2. Start from bottom to top. We arrange it from right to left. Now we do the checking. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So if its value is 0, we don't add them. Simply just 16 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 20 plus 1 21. 21. That's it. So let's convert binary into whole number. So first is count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now we multiply the bit by 2, and with what its assigned number is its exponent. 0 times 2 raised to 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to 3. Lastly, 1 times 2 raised to 4. So if the value of the bit is 0, we don't include it in adding. So since it's 0, we don't include this. So 1 times 2 raised to 1 is simply 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to 2 is 4. 1 times 2 raised to 4 is 16. 2 plus 4 plus 16 is 4 plus 6. So the value of this binary code is 20. That's another example. We count from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. 1 times 2 raised to 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to 1 plus 0 times 2 raised to 2 plus 0 times 2 times 2 rather raised to 3 equals to 2 plus 2. Since the value of the last 2 bit is 0, we don't include it. So the final value of this binary is 4. plus 2. Since the value of this bit is 0, we don't include it. Lastly, 1 times 4 raised to 8 is 8. So the final value of this binary is 12. So let's move on to arithmetic binary. So first is addition. So for example, it's 1, 1, 0, and 1 plus 1, 0, 1, 0. The first thing we do is just realign it from right to left. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 0 plus 1, lastly 1 plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 1, 1, and when there's so when the sum exceeds 1, we just carry over 1. So we arrange it 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So the result of adding these two binary is this. So we have another example, 1, 0, 0, 1 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. 1 plus 1, since it exceeds number 1, we just carry 1. Bring down 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1, it exceeds 1, we just carry 1. And the addition of these two binaries is equal to. So next we're going to subtract binaries. So in this example, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 minus 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. You simply arrange it from right to left. 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1. And lastly, 0 minus 1. So just simply add minus rather 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1. This is the result of subtracting these two binary, which is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Also, binary is used in our everyday life. For example, it's the digital devices that we use. For example, is smartphones, computers, and other electronic that uses binary to process data. So one example of binary use is text encoding, image and video files, and data compression and encryption. So next is ASCII, which stands for American Standard Coded Information Interchange. It is a character encoding standard that uses numeric codes 6 or 8 bits to represent text like A is equals to 65 for computers to understand. So that's all.